discussing about the page number 8. But before starting with that, I just want to show you this board work, right? You must have seen this kind of pictures, right, from your lower standards, and you must have got the idea that what madam is actually now going to explain, right? So you must have seen this kind of pictures, right? This one is the bullock cart. This one is your mini truck. This is your mini tractor. This one is a little bit of tempo type, right? So today we will be discussing on the means of transport, or you can say the vehicles, right? Now, why I have drawn this particular figures over here? This particular pictures are being drawn so that today I can explain you that what are the actually the means of transport we are using to carry the products from one place to another, right? We are not only confined to one particular product, right? We can export so many products with the help of this particular vehicles, right? Nowadays, the producers of mangoes are very happy because the occupation is developed at national and the international level. National level means the country level, right? The country in which you are living. International level means global level, right? So you are exporting your products from one country to several countries. Our mangoes are exported to different states of our country also, right? We are not only confined to our cities, but we are even exporting our mangoes to different states also, and also to the foreign countries. Foreign countries means outside our country. Transportation of mangoes in a huge quantity is carried out by trucks and by airplanes, right? Now we can transport the mangoes if it is in a bulk quantity, so we require a big particular vehicle. So if I want to sell to some particular country, different countries, so I require even planes also for it. Okay students, now the next paragraph is there. It is a matter of concern for our environment and health that the use of fertilizers and the pesticides. Now first we'll understand the meaning of fertilizers and the pesticides, then we'll further continue with the explanation. Okay, fertilizer. What is a fertilizer? It is a chemical or the natural substance added to the soil or the land to increase its fertility. Okay, fertilizer is what? Fertilizer is actually a substance, right? It is chemically also been prepared. Also we can prepare it naturally. That means organic method also it has been used to make the fertilizers. Now where it is been added? Fertilizers are generally been added to the soil. That means मिट्टी में डाला जाता है या उसे land में डाला जाता है. Why it has been added? To increase the fertility of the soil. Okay, fertility increase करने से क्या होगा? Your productivity will be increased. आपका जो production है वो increase होगा, right? Fertilizers are generally been used to increase the fertility of the soil, by which we can get a good quality products, right? उसको हम chemically यानी factories में भी produce कर सकते हैं और naturally यानी हम उसे organic तरीके से भी हम उसे बना सकते हैं. Now another word is pesticides. What is a pesticide? Pesticides means a substance used for destroying insects or other organisms harmful to the cultivated plants. Now for example, my plants have been growing, right, very nicely, but if some insects or another organisms come and harm it, then what will happen? My plant health will not be good, right? अगर हमें कोई इंसेक्ट्स बाइट कर जाए तो क्या होगा? हमारी हेल्थ जैसे खराब हो जाती है वैसे प्लांट्स का आता है, राइट? द प्लांट्स आल्सो देयर हेल्थ आल्सो गेट्स लिटिल बिट degraded, right? So in order to protect our plants, right, from this harmful insects and the organisms, pesticides are being added so that our plants health remains good, right? हमारे जो plants है उनका health अच्छा रहे, right? For that we are adding the pesticides. Now if you use anything on a over limit, right? अगर ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं, if you are using the pesticides in the bulk quantity, then what will happen? Your fertility of the land will be decreased. अगर आप medicine ज़्यादा खाते हो तो what will happen? Your body is going to affect it. Similarly, if you add more and more pesticides, what will happen? Your land will also going to suffer. So the use of fertilizers and the pesticides have increased in the mango orchard. Due to this, the land quality is deteriorated. Deteriorated means decreased. राइट, यानी कि आपकी जो लैंड की क्वालिटी है वो दिन ब दिन कम होती जा रही है. एंड इट इज बिकमिंग इनफर्टाइल. इनफर्टाइल मीन्स वो आप गुड क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं दे सकते हैं. डेंजरस केमिकल्स आर यूज्ड टू राइपन द मैंगोज क्विकली which harm our health, right? Sometimes some people, in order to earn money, so what they are doing, they are using the chemicals to ripe the mango. कच्चे आम को पकाने के लिए वो केमिकल्स यूज करते हैं, राइट? दे आर यूजिंग द केमिकल्स टू ripe the mangoes fast so that they can sell in the market and then get the money. At present, many farmers grow mangoes by the organic method without using the chemicals and keep our health as well as their land also good. Now, but obviously, if they are harming us, they are harming themselves also, right? Some people buy raw mangoes. Raw mangoes मतलब कच्चा mangoes. Get them ripen at their home, यानी घर पे पकाते हैं. Using dry grass, यानी सूखा घास जिसे बोलते हैं. Jute sets, जो हम जिसको हम हिंदी में जूट जो होता है वो काइंड ऑफ जिसको हम जूट बैग्स वगैरह जिसमें हम मिलती है, राइट? दैट पर्टिकुलर फाइबर जूट इज बीइंग यूज्ड, द ब्राउन कलर फाइबर. अनियन, प्याज. पेपर means newspaper we are talking about, or grains, right? Generally we are using wheat as a particular grain and enjoy them. This particular things are being used to ripe the mangoes fast, right? But if you are using these methods at your home, it will be of better quality. Okay students, now let's understand the page number 9. Many types of mangoes are in existence since many years. Earlier, huge native mango trees were grown in the numbers. Commonly 3 to 4 mango trees were seen in each farm. Nowadays, farmers are growing the grafted mangoes only. As I have already told you the meaning of grafted, that means it is right now the tree is already been growing. You just pick the stem of that particular tree and you insert into a new plant, right? Or you can grow a new plant from that. So that is called the grafting method. Native mango trees are about to extinct. Extinct means कि वो अभी दिखाई नहीं दे रहे because they are earlier one. If there are no mango trees, where will we hear the cooing of cuckoos? That means कि अगर mango trees नहीं, if we don't have the mango trees, then where we can listen the sound of the cuckoos? How will I enjoy the mangoes? By climbing on the mango tree like our grandfathers when they were kids. When our grandfathers were there, then they used to climb the mango tree and used to pluck the mango from it. How will we enjoy the visit of mango orchard? Think. Write a report on the problems related to the existence of the mango and the mango trees. You can mention the problems which right now the mango and the mango trees are facing, like as I told in the previous speech, that we have the more usage of the pesticides can deteriorate the land quality. That is also one of the problem, right? Next one is day by day the farmers are using this grafting method. That means the increasing population. So to meet the increasing population, more and more fertilizers are also being used, right? Instead of organic, the farmers are using the chemical one. So that is also one of the challenge which right now we are facing, right? Now we will discuss the below topic. Vehicles carrying the mangoes. A wooden bullock cart can carry 200 kilograms of mangoes, right? A wooden bullock cart is there. which can carry 200 kilograms of mangoes, but other vehicles can carry the mangoes or the mango boxes as per shown in the table given below. So they are right now mentioning about this particular table. The table also shows the speed of vehicles of each type, so that we can show about the distance of each type of vehicle can cover in 1 hour. Okay. Now students, we will look at this table and we will be answering the below question. First we will understand the table, then we will be answering the question. Look at the table and calculate. So first we will see the table. Type of vehicle, transportation of mangoes in our trip, right? That means it is in a kg. Speed of the vehicle, that is kilometer per hour. Speed of the vehicle, that is kilometer per hour. Okay, first vehicle is bullock cart. Now how much the mangoes the bullock cart is carrying in one trip? That is 200 kg. 200 kg. And what is the speed of the bullock cart? That is 4 km per hour. That means in 1 hour, the bullock cart can travel at a speed of 4 km. Right? In 1 hour, the bullock cart can travel at a speed of 4 km. Right? Then the rickshaw trailer is there. So the rickshaw trailer can take 600 kg of mangoes, right? In one trip. In a trip, one trip, right? What is the speed of a rickshaw trailer? That is 12 km per hour. That means in 1 hour, the rickshaw trailer can travel up to 12 km. Next one is a tractor. What is how much tractor can carry in one trip? 800 kg of mangoes the tractor can carry. And how much distance it can cover in 1 hour? That is 20 km. Truck. How many mangoes the truck can carry? 6,000 kg mangoes in one trip, right? But our truck is a little bit bigger in size than the remaining one. So the truck can carry 6,000 kg in one trip, right? So what is the speed of the vehicle? That is 44 km per hour. So the truck is traveling at a speed of 44 km per hour. That means in 1 hour, the truck can cover the distance of 44 km. Now the first question they have given to us, that is how many kilogram mangoes each vehicle can carry in 7 trips? How many kilogram mangoes each vehicle can carry in 7 trips? That means right now we have been given with the number of mangoes in one trip, right? 200, 600, 800 and 6,000. Right now it is given for one trip. We need to calculate the same for the 7 trips, right? So here the simple logic is of multiplication. That means one trip, this much of mango. So 7 trips, this much, right? So it's a question of multiplication. So let me solve for you. Okay, first vehicle is bullock cart. So the bullock cart is right now carrying 200 kg in one trip. So how much it can carry in 7 trips? So 200 multiplied by 7. So 200 multiplied by 7. 2 7s are 14 and then followed with the 2 zeros. So 1400 kg mangoes the bullock cart can carry. Next one is rickshaw trailer. Rickshaw trailer. Okay, how much rickshaw trailer is traveling in one trip? 600 kg mangoes. Now that multiplied by 7. Again simple quick math. 6 7s are 42. Then 2 zeros are there. So it is 4200 kg. Next one is tractor. Tractor 800 kg of mangoes. The tractor is carrying 800 kg of mangoes in one trip. So in 7 trips, 5600 kg of the mango. So it can carry. Next one is truck. How much mangoes the truck is carrying? 6000. In 7 trips, so 6 7s are 42 and then 3 zeros. Okay students? students, now let's see the question number B. How much distance is covered by the tractor in 6 hours? How much distance is covered by a tractor in 6 hours? Okay, first of all we'll see the tractor, right? Okay, in 1 hour the tractor is traveling 20 kilometers. In 1 hour the tractor is traveling 20 kilometers. So how much distance will it cover in the 6 hours? So 20 multiplied by 6, because in 1 hour it can travel 20 kilometers. So in 6 hours, how much distance it can travel? So 20 multiplied by 6, that means 120 kilometer. Is it clear? Next one, how much time will be taken by a rickshaw trailer to cover 60 kilometer? How much time will be taken by a rickshaw trailer to cover 60 kilometers? Now to cover 60 kilometers, first of all see the rickshaw trailer, right? Rickshaw trailer, how much distance a rickshaw trailer can travel in 1 hour? That is 12 kilometers. Rickshaw trailer can travel 12 kilometers in 1 hour, right? Now if the rickshaw trailer wants to cover 60 kilometers, so how much time it will be required, right? If you just follow the table of 12, so we can understand that 12 5s are 60, right? So we can say that 5 hours are required by a rickshaw trailer. But the same if I want to show on the board with the calculations, then what can I do? That is 60 divided by 12. 60 divided by 12, that means if we divide 60 by 12 we get 5. So the rickshaw trailer require 5 hours to cover 60 kilometers. Thank you, and we'll be seeing the remaining topics in the next lecture.
आभार।